This 30-inch all-gas range by GE has a stainless front with 2 black glass viewing windows, 2 color-matched stainless handles, and 5 metal knobs with markers and guides to help easily identify burners. It comes with 2 edge-to-edge continuous matte black grates, an integrated griddle accessory, and 5 sealed burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 5,000, one 9,500, one 10,000, one 12,000, and one 15,000 BTU power burner. The surface of this range is black porcelain. It has a smooth touch control panel with several baking options, numerical keys, and an easy-to-read LED display. Inside, both ovens feature a dark porcelain interior. The 2.5 cubic foot upper oven comes with 1 flat rack, 2 rack positions, and an oven light. The 4.3 cubic foot lower oven comes with 2 flat racks, 4 rack positions, 1 oven light, and a convection fan. To learn more about ranges, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.